Okay, quick question. Have you ever opened your banking app, looked at the balance, and thought, wait, where did my money go? Like, you didn't buy a yacht, you didn't buy a private jet, you didn't invest in a llama farm, but somehow your paycheck disappeared like it joined the witness protection program. And now you're staring at $42.16 like, all right, we're surviving on vibes and instant noodles. Listen, if that's you, you're not bad with money. You just don't have a system. Most Americans don't. We just swipe and pray. Tap the card, hope it goes through, deal with the emotional damage later. That's not budgeting. That's financial roulette. All right, let me break this down super simple. My name is AJ, and today I'm explaining budgeting like you're 5 years old. Imagine your money is pizza. You get 8 slices. Now, if you eat all 8 slices in one sitting, what happens tomorrow? You're hungry, and probably sick. That's exactly what happens when you spend your whole paycheck in week 1. A budget simply means this. You decide where each slice goes before you start eating. That's it. No finance degree, no Wall Street internship, no Excel wizardry required. It's just intentional spending. Step 1 is simple, but most people skip it. You need to track your money. This is called understanding your cash flow. Cash flow just means money coming in versus money going out. Not guessing, not, I feel like I don't spend that much, not, gas is expensive so that must be it. No, open your bank statement. Yes, I know, it's scary. Bring emotional support, maybe a snack. Look at last month. You'll probably find $87 on random Amazon stuff you don't even remember ordering. 5 subscriptions, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, some random fitness app you used twice. $142 on DoorDash because I was tired. And hey, no judgment. We've all had the I deserve this burrito moment. But tracking your money is like stepping on a scale. You can't fix what you don't measure. If your expenses are leaking $500 a month and you don't see it, you'll just keep wondering why you feel broke. Now let's make this easy. Use something called the 50-30-20 rule. It's beginner-friendly and works for most incomes. Let's say your paycheck is $3,000 a month. 50% goes to needs. These are fixed expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, gas, insurance, minimum debt payments, stuff that keeps the lights on. 30% goes to wants. This is discretionary spending: eating out, streaming services, Target trips where you just went to look and walked out $180 lighter. And 20% goes to savings. And savings isn't just money sitting there doing nothing. It includes emergency fund, investing, retirement accounts, paying extra toward debt. That 20%? That's how future you stops stressing. Now let's talk emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. Your emergency fund is money for car breaking down, medical bills, job layoffs, your AC quitting in July. It is not for Black Friday. That is not an emergency. That is capitalism with a timer. Start with $1,000, then build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why? Because life loves surprise bills. And I promise you, they never text first like, hey bestie, just a heads up, your transmission is about to explode. No, they just show up. Now here's the good news. Cutting costs doesn't mean living like a cave person eating canned beans in the dark. It means being intentional. Instead of eating out 4 times a week, try 2. Instead of 6 streaming services, pick 2. Be honest. Do you really need Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Max, Prime, YouTube Premium, and whatever plus just launched yesterday? Probably not. Canceling just 2 subscriptions could save you $30 to $40 a month. That's $480 a year. That's almost half an emergency fund just from pressing cancel. Little changes, big impact. Now here's my favorite trick. It's called pay yourself first. The second your paycheck hits your account, move money to savings. Immediately. Before rent, before shopping, before your brain says, you worked hard, treat yourself. Your brain loves treats. Your future? Not so much. If you automate this, meaning it transfers automatically, even better. Because if you never see the money, you won't spend it. That's Behavioral Finance 101. Remove temptation. And here's the bigger picture. Budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about reducing financial anxiety. It's about not panicking when your tire blows out. It's about not feeling sick every time your phone buzzes with a bank notification. It's about building financial stability. And eventually, financial freedom. When you have savings, you make decisions differently. You're not desperate. You're not stuck. You're not living paycheck to paycheck forever. So here's your homework. Check last month's spending. Try the 50-30-20 rule. Start saving something, even $50, because budgeting isn't restriction. It's control. It's peace of mind. It's freedom. And trust me, future you is going to look back and say, "Dang, I'm glad we got it together." And that feeling? That's worth way more than another random Amazon package.